So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I unbox a very popular product. Actually today I unbox a microphone. Actually I bought this microphone for my YouTube channel because my laptop has an inbuilt microphone which are not up to the mark, so I buy it. As you can see here, this is branding from Flipkart. I buy it from Flipkart, and this is the bill. So okay, no more talk, let's unpack. So actually the price of the microphone is around 347. In 347 I think this is a very sufficient product. So as you can see here, Flipkart packaging are always good. Is see packed by bubble wrap. So actually friends, this is the microphone. So this is the Anytech branding, and the packaging is really good. That's why I wasted 10 seconds of video on unpacking it. So let's see what inside the pack. So as you can see here, this is came with another also a good package. So actually nowadays Flipkart has only 2 days replacement warranty, so always test the product. So this is the microphone. So this is the microphone. Hello, this is the mic. Here you talk, and actually it is pretty much expendable. At least the wire of this microphone is so much long, so you don't need to worry about the distance from your laptop or computer. So as you can see here, this is so much big, near about 2 meter. So okay friends, and here is the clip also. You can adjust it in your shirt or t-shirt or any other adjustable thing. So I think in 347 this is the best microphone. 347 today's market is very cheap. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friend. Another thing is how to set up external mic on any laptop or video. In the next video I'll show you that how you can set up this microphone in your laptop or computer. Okay friends, goodbye.